Greetings family, welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl Sarah,
and of course it's your boy Tuxx.
Okay family, so we literally just got back from Rarotonga on Monday. It is currently a Wednesday, 18th of May, and we're off again. This time we're off to Brisbane and we're going to Moreton Island, so we're gonna catch a ferry. We're currently waiting for our girl and boy Sikope and Renee. We don't see them right now, but we've checked them in, we've checked ourselves in, we've got their boarding pass, and yeah guys, let's go! So good. Okay, we've already checked you in. Here's your boarding passes, okay. And just stick your thingies on your
So we're getting ready to jump on this plane. Boarding passes.
No.
Yeah.
Guys, this is Renee and Kope's first flight of the year.
Man, the bro was telling me it's been a while.
Really?
Yo.
Especially
this is actually our first trip together on a plane. Yeah.
Let's go.
Look who it is! Hello guys! Hello!
Okay guys, we're just in the Uber on our way to Woolies to grab some snacks. Here is everyone.
And there's the snack. The snack is sitting at the front.
After we get our snacks, then we're gonna head off to the wharf, because our ferry leaves at 12, but we have to be there an hour prior. But guys, we're just also excited.
Yeah.
Because we've never been to this island. I'm really excited. And if you're wondering why are we on this trip, we're actually going to a wedding, which is Willie and Ange. I'll insert a photo of them in here. It is their wedding, and yeah, we're just so excited to go and celebrate love and just celebrate them and
the union of two individuals.
Okay.
And it goes a little something like
Excuse me, I'm gonna have to check your bag. Okay guys, we just got here. Thank you to our Uber driver.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is where, I think that's where we're gonna go and check in. Yep, so we're checking in here.
Salonga wharf.
Salonga wharf. Sis, stop crying! I know you're so happy to see me! Okay guys, so we're on the ferry right now. Everyone's just boarding. This boat is pretty cool. Like, I feel like I'm on a bus. But we're gonna have a little snack. We've got over here just a hot dog and butter, corn jack, sausage, and a, what is that called?
Crab stick.
Crab stick and sushi. The wedding party just got their first class.
Got our own TV.
They put the wives in the bad seat and give themselves a good seat.
Alright fam, so we're just gonna go have a look outside.
Pretty loud out here. Slowly it's gonna clear up soon.
See, I got my bag on. Bro's ready to go. We have arrived to the destination. Honey, you feeling a bit better? My poor love here. Poor Bebe's got a little bit of seasick. Even though she had the tablet, man. But yeah, fam, we're about to head out. What do you reckon, bro?
Okay,
so
so
wait,
this
come down a bit,
is...
come down a little bit.
Guys, this is so cute!
I'm telling
Welcome us to the island! Okay. Oh, we got another Wakamia.
Hey! Bro, all I gotta say is, even though it's like cloudy, this place is still very beautiful.
I'm like, wow.
Bam, she was like seasick and now she's... Wow.
Oh, good.
Yes. Gonna head down to the reception. Check back in. Whip.
down just to play a little bit of pool table. The boys struggling to get the balls out, and our sister girl is over there talking to Lilzy.
Look, I'm trying to. This is a face of DNMing.
Go away.